Okay, big day. We're going to pick up Becca and Connor's new four-wheeler. Dude, look at this guy. Bright and early. 6 a.m. Dude, are you excited or what?
Dude, let's get this thing rolling.
Yo! New four-wheeler day.
A couple snacks.
Wow, you don't bring too much food.
No, just 3 granola bars.
Dude, I can't believe the candlelight buggy's going away. Yo, insert clips right now of Becca and Connor's piece of shit four-wheeler. Because now they're finally upgrading.
How about him just crashing it?
Yeah. Well, I'll insert some clips of him crashing it.
Oh, Connor! Oh my God!
What's going on?
It's gonna blow up.
Actually? Well, stop. I'll tow you home.
Look at this. Good as new, huh?
Guys, she finally dies.
I thought I just broke something by hitting it like that.
No, I love this place.
Guys, update. Connor's candlelight buggy. He broke a wire. It's not starting.
Dude, what a unit, Connor.
Little candlelight. On.
Okay, Kenzie, you go get the bike. There's a happy camper. What a nice brother taking the day off to pick up his sister's four-wheeler. What a good guy. So here we are, our little bike shop, somewhere in Nova Scotia. Ooh, I know, eh? Starts up mint, unlike their current four-wheeler that might not start up.
Yeah.
Yo. Wait, did she see the photo?
Pretty good?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
You let me know where you
Yeah. That's good there.
Right there, man. See the CanAm rock, get her in gear.
Bolt! Yo, we made it back.
Woo!
Becca, if you're seeing this, we're gonna take this to the beaver dam right now.
First thing, that's where we're going right now.
Yeah, we're going straight to the beaver dam.
Actually, we're going straight to the gas jug because there's no gas in this thing. Apparently he offered and I declined. I don't know.
Yeah, there's no gas. Wheelie. Maybe don't. Yo, new buggy. Connor with his new ride. Dude, give her the beans. Yo, I better catch up. Dude, first ride. How does it feel?
Phenomenal.
Dude, amazing. All nice and clean. That's one happy CanAm Outlander 570 Max owner.